Here. Today, we're about to make this Himalayan ketchup. That chef de cuisine. Ain't that right, baby? Yeah. Come on, come on. Come on, track. There you go, there you go. You need to make sure you keep up, homie. Don't be falling behind. That's what we need. That olive oil. Which one is that one? This one right here? Yeah. Run out of that. Olive oil. 2-inch knob. 2-inch knob of ginger peeled. 11? 3-inch knob of turmeric. Bird's eye chili. Fuego here. Cloves of garlic. 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon. 2 teaspoons chili powder. Mustard seed. Ground cumin. Ground coriander. Man. Woo-wee. About to get it popping up in here, bro. Get the panda, right? That boy tracking for real. Keep your eyes on your boy. Keep your eyes on the prize. Oh, that bird's eye chili. Yeah. Ground coriander. Ooh, that oven is preheated. I'm about to kick it off with some of that takarashi. Tip the scales just a little bit. What would it look like? That's rice.
Oh, wait, sorry. Here.
That London. We putting this at? That medium piece? Yeah. Gotta make sure you put your oven on the medium. The stove, not yet. Yeah. Oh, it doesn't want to track me. It's on you. Hey, yo. I'm gonna need you to keep your eyes on me, homie.
Good.
I'm ready. Alright, so you put this in first. So first you want to grab the grated oil. You know what I'm saying? Spliggity splash that up in there. Bam! Then what we got next? Woo! Then grab your fresh squeezed ginger. You know what I mean? How much we putting up in there? Oh my goodness. I'm just gonna take that top off. That thing look like applesauce. Get it in there. Oh. Alright, here you go.
One of that.
Boom. You know what I'm saying? Gotta hit it with that garlic piece, you know what I'm saying? Straight from the California Yate. One stupid. Yes, sir. Oh, here you go.
And you're gonna have to cut that chili into two.
That's straight fire. That bird's eye chili. Make sure you're keeping up. We don't want you slacking around here. Come on. Come on, bring it back this way. Come on. What you doing, dog? Alright. So we cutting this in half. What? Oh snap. Double the fun. 2 times. Yes. You just slide that up in there. You know what I mean? Yes indeed. Get the grand spatula. Ooh. Get all up in there. All the nice juices, we get that flowing, you dig? Yes. I can smell the Himalayans. Can you smell it?
I can smell the
Yes, she smells it. Woo! Man, we gonna get all up in there. Boom. So we got to get up in here cooking and whatnot. That splitty splash. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Yeah, look at that. All that ooey gooey goodiness and whatnot. Oh yeah. All right. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. And grade turmeric. You know what I'm saying? For my boy Winko.
1 full teaspoon.
Girl, what the hell is this? That is unnecessary. Oh yeah. Ooh. Slide it off the top like that. We're gonna play around. Go ahead and stir that up in there. Mm-hmm. Ooh. My goodness, I have never smelled anything like this before. The combination is just flowing. Sheesh.
Half of this.
Half of that.
Cinnamon.
Skip. About half.
A little bit less.
Throw that up in there. Man.
2 chili powder.
In there. In there. Thank you, ma'am. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Made it to one big old ball.
Dry mustard.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and. Oh my goodness, lost myself. Here we go. Got the Himalayan sauce cooking.
We got 3 more
Looking all
ingredients.
nice. Alright. Go ahead, focus on your boy. Himalayan ketchup still going action. You know what I'm saying? We had technical difficulties from that. So we about to put
Half a cup of malt vinegar.
half a cup of malt vinegar. That malt liquor. Takes a minute. Half a cup? Alright. Rank. Alright. Got that up in there. Go ahead, stir that up a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead. Come on, take a look at that. Look at that thing. Whoo, that thing look good. Yes, sir. Alright. What's this plate for?
That's for the spoon.
For a spoon. Alright. Put that malt liquor back. That malt vinegar back. Yes, sir. The whole thing in there. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna pack that in there. Perfect. Then we're gonna give it a couple taps. That's black. You wanna make sure you get up in there. You know what I mean? That thick consistency with the brown sugar. Alright, now that we got that broken down, it's all melted up and whatnot. Whoo, that's gonna be something else.
Don't forget the Himalayan salt.
Don't forget that Himalayan salt. Alright. What we doing with this? You cranking that thing 3 times?
Yep.
Crank that. Himalayan salt. Flick that on my head. Keep going.
No.
One more time. Cool. Let that residue off. And you gotta have that secret ingredient. My favorite, you know what I'm saying? The one and only Takarashi. Yeah. That's that thing right there. That Takarashi, you know what I'm saying? Add a little bit of Takarashi to that Himalayan. Yes, sir. Just a little bit, not too much, because it's already gonna be kicking with that bird's eye chili. Go ahead, stir that up. You know what I'm saying? Let me go ahead and
Oh my! I can taste the Himalayas!
can almost taste it. Almost tasted. Ooh, that thing got a kick too. Your boy sweating a little bit. Oh boy, sweating on that. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and let that bad bitty, you know what I'm saying, do its thing. So we're gonna come back at you when it's right. All right, y'all, we back with the Himalayan ketchup. Over there cooking, been marinating. You know what I'm saying? We got the chicken in the oven. You know what I'm saying? Looking all nice and shit. You dig? Got the onions sauteed. Now it's time for that blender. Oh yeah. What's that thing called?
Immersion blender.
Immersion blender?
Immersion blender.
Immersion blender, yeah. That's what it's called.
Do you want to do it?
Hey! You know what I'm saying? Watch this thing be splatting all over the place. Yeah.
Keep it inside the thing.
Oh, keep it inside.
Keep it inside.
Level one, right?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. And I make this sure this touch the ground?
Yes.
Like that.
Mm-hmm.
Do I move it around?
Yes.
Oh, that thing wanna suck down. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that thickness. Look at that consistency. Boy. Oh yeah. That oh my goodness. Like I'm in the war zone. It feels smooth.
Yep.
Ooh, that thing creamy in the mud. I don't know what it look like. What that thing look like? It look good?
It look good.
Done?
Done.
Alright, after we done blended it, you know what I'm saying? Gonna go ahead and take it. Hit it with that strainer. You mean? Come on, bring that in. Oh my goodness. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and hit it this way. Yeah. Go ahead and. My goodness. Oh my God. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm dripping, dropping everywhere. Alright. I have no idea. See, look at that. See, that's why you don't have me doing this. I'm not the renowned chef around here. I'm just gonna pour all of it down. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Looking like that marinara sauce. It looks good. Oh my goodness. Messing up.
Mm-hmm.
It's all good though. You gotta take a time with this. Oh my goodness. Did it again. Probably gonna have to double around and hit it twice. Yes, sir. Hit it with the quick spurts. There you go. As you can see, the level is definitely dropping from what we had when we first dipped it up in here. Your boy was leaking all over the edge. Yeah. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Boy, this right here is definitely not a fun process. I don't know why you had me doing this. I should record. I should have recorded you doing this. You know what you're doing.
You're doing great.
Oh man. Gotta focus, you know what I'm saying? It's, you gotta get eye level with this sometimes. Yeah. Oh. Man, I can't wait to taste this. All this hard work and dedication.
Lift the strip, yeah.
This?
Yep.
Girl, that thing feel like it's about to snap off.
No, you're fine.
Ooh. Oh, you're making that paste. What we do with the residuals? We just toss that? Toss it. The residue. Got a nice little creamy paste to it. Yeah. I don't know if we can do anything else with this.
Mm.
This might be all right here.
If you think that's good, good. Don't forget to scrape a little bit on the bottom so you're not wasting.
What you mean?
The bottom of the...
Oh, okay. Yeah. I know exactly what you're talking about.
Mm-hmm.
You'll have to think about it real quick. You know what I'm saying? You gotta massage the juices out. Pause. Yep. I done drained that shit. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Ooh. That's sloppy right there.
Ooh.
You know what I'm saying? That? Oh, my goodness. I'm dripping all over the place. see.
The accuracy.
Yo, this definitely got to get eye level with this. Yo. We don't waste no Himalayan ketchup around here. Ugh. Look at all that nastiness, that gunk. All right.
That's the chicken.
That's the chicken. Look at that in all its glory. Got the whole setup. Yes, sir. Woo, that thing looking clean. Okay. All right, what we got here?
Himalayan ketchup.
Himalayan ketchup. I'm about to go ahead and smother that joint up on there. Make love to the bread.
Top and bottom.
Top and bottom. Ugh. Look at that. Look at that. My goodness. Ooh.
And
The Himalayan ketchup.
piece of chicken.
Woo!
You want a big piece? Huh?
No. I want that one right
You
there.
want this one?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. All right.
Onions.
Onions, the sauteed. Ooh, that sensation. Bada bing, bada boom.
And lettuce.
Yep. That's what I'm talking about right there. And you can do whatever you want with yours.
Chicken sandwich with Himalayan ketchup.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Now we on the mukbang version of this now. You know what I'm saying? Got the Himalayan ketchup all up in this sandwich with the ooey gooiness. Are you ready for this?
Ready?
Hey, you know what I'm saying? Let's go ahead and tee it off.
It's a big sandwich.
You know what I'm saying? Boop. All right, here we go. Okay. Definitely got a kick to it though.
Two birds eye chili is enough.
Yep. It's weird though. I ain't gonna lie, it don't taste like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I don't know why.
Wow.
I don't know. But now this ketchup definitely got a kick to it.
A fried chicken sandwich with Himalayan ketchup, and you think it tastes like peanut butter jelly.
It be like that sometimes. Man. But nah, definitely recommend it. Food's awesome. Got that kick to it. Especially pairs off well with the sharp cheddar cheese, sauteed onions, the lettuce, everything. Just amazing. What would you rate this, chef?
4.2 out of 5.
You heard it. 4.2 out of 5.
I'm eating.
But all right then. Hey, if y'all new to the channel, you like what you see, go ahead, like and subscribe, and I'll holler at you next time. Peace.